Hi guys, this is Vijaya Makiriti, JCI Amlapuram, Zone 4. Today we are going to do uh, some covers, medical covers, means which are in previous days in medical shops they used to give over this type of covers. Today, but they are not giving this type of covers. They are giving a single-use plastic covers. So today's our program is about wealth out of waste. Means these magazines are not be used in my home. So I'm going to do with this. All we need is just a magazine or waste newspapers or waste books which are not used in our home, and a Fevicol. Just all we need is just two things, that is waste magazines, waste papers, or anything that which is not used in our home, and a Fevicol. Guys, I am doing a paper cover which people used to give in medical shops, covers like this to put medicines inside of this. See, I cut this from this magazine and we have to fold like this. Very simple. This is very simple. Just fold the two sides in equal parts. Okay, like this we have to fold, and then we have to fold like this over. This is the cover which is used to give in our medical shops. After that we have to put the Fevicol on here, this part, and we have to fold it like this. See, just stick it proper. Next, here also we have to put as the same. Okay, like this. Our cover is finished. See, this is good for our environment. Okay, so do this like this and save our environment. Stop.